Roasting peppers in an open fire. How beautiful is that is. Ciao tutti, welcome back to our channel. It's Italian lifestyle with Tim and Rina's involved here. And Rina's here and Tim is in behind the camera as always. Ciao Tim.
Hello, everybody.
So now I'm ready to show you how to make the red pepper sauce. They're roasted already. Some of them are roasted. Some of my peppers are roasted already, which is free here. Very beautiful color.
Are those
So,
the ones that you roasted in the oven last
ex
night?
no, it's not last night. This morning I roasted. I roasted this morning the pepper on the burning stove because it's winter here. Is because we have it. But for those who doesn't have the burning stove, you can use the stove top or you can use oven. There's so many ways that how I roast my peppers. I roast them in the oven the whole thing, or on the top of the stove, or sometimes I cut it in half and remove all the seeds and stalks and all the inside of the peppers because it's easier to clean after you roast it. I'll show you that after a minute after this demo here. Let me just show this one more time. So the seeds and you clean up inside the peppers already. Tap tap tap. You just put it in and oops. Here, if you have gadget to hold it on place, yeah. And yeah, like I said, you can use the oven as well, but here I've got this already roasted. I cut it in half like I showed you. So now I'm removing the skin. A bit I'm going to wash it also. So this is what I meant that because the seeds already been removed, so the only thing we have to remove here is the skin. It's just very easy because it's soft after it's been roasted. And the reason why I'm doing this, especially on the burning stove, the flavor of the pepper is really, really smoky, really nice. Okay, now look what's happening here. So that will happen when you roast it. Like what I've got here. This one because it's on the was from the burning stove, then it's all charred and dark, but that's only the skin. So don't panic if it's black. It's still red after you remove the skin. So I'm just going to dip it in water to wash it a little bit, and then we're yeah, just basically removing all the black bits left from the skin. Okay, so peppers are all clean and skin and yeah, all clean. So we are ready to make the sauce. So I'm just putting the paper towel on top of that and underneath as well. So remove some of the excess liquid that if there is, and if there are some bits of skin, it can also be clean again. We want it clean. So now we are ready. So I can tell you now the measurement is, so this is 200 grams of roasted peppers. I said 200 grams because if I tell you two peppers, but the peppers sometimes can be bigger than I am using now. So that's why I'm giving you measurements. So and now I'm adding into the peppers, garlic. This is equivalent of two garlic cloves, but these are small, so I'm putting probably more than two garlic cloves. If you don't like garlic, leave it out. If you want garlic, put more. That's flexibility. And now this is fresh tomatoes, cherry tomatoes, whatever tomatoes you have. But make sure it's 60 ml, 60 grams, not ml. And now I got the same amount of dried tomatoes in oil, under oil. The dried tomatoes is very full of flavor, and the fresh tomatoes goes with a sweet sweet flavor from the pepper. And yeah, so I was telling you about that. When you get your dried tomatoes, must be, it says, in oil, not in vinegar. So now I'm adding hazelnuts, roasted hazelnuts, and I am putting about 2 to 3 tablespoons of olive oil. If you want uh, a little bit runny, you can add more, but let's start with this because we can always adjust it when you're ready to use it. So, so put the lid on and in go. Salsa. Oh, that's good. See, that's a little bit more. I am happy with that. Look, now this sauce you can use it for fish, you can use it for chicken, like what I'm doing now. This is very, very good for vegetarian roasted vegetables, and use the sauce for roasted vegetable is fantastical. The combination is just fantastic. So now I have to tell you again, you can use this for almost anything: grilled vegetables, fish, pasta. It's just something different from tomato sauce or the regular ragu. Um, so this is what I can show you right away. You can use it for crostini in Italiano, bruschetta if you like. We are familiar with bruschetta. Non-Italian speaker says bruschetta. It's cute. So don't forget the subscription. Subscribe Tim and Rina's Italian Lifestyle. And this is how we do in our Italian lifestyle. We bring summer inside the house in the winter. So I honestly I cannot waste this. That's the thought. We have to do it because I saw yummy goodness on the grilled griddle pan here. So why not put it in? So why not put the bread and all the garlic bits in there? I like garlic, so, and the herbs, and so now I'm using this. Calma, Rina, calma. So I'm using this just to let you know what you can do for the red pepper sauce. So 3 recipes there, and that's it. One. Honestly, we don't have much plating up here to do. We just want to eat. We just want to tuck in. And okay, I'll have. Let's say I'll start with one. And and the sauce and the sauce, that is it. Ah, and why not put some green and red because it looks like summer, is it? Yeah. And this is my simple, quick recipe for bringing the summer inside the house. So thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. And if you want the recipe, yes, if you want the recipe, sign in here. Okay, darling, look, these two together. Okay, I'm going to put something on the top. I want to take picture.